Wow.
Here we are in the heart of Berkshire in one of my favourite locations, and we're going to give you a tour of one of the biggest, largest HMO projects that we've ever done. Follow me. So I'm actually walking through the house to a hallway we created, and now I'm walking into what used to be a dentist for over 30 years. This part of the development, the dentist, is now going to produce two incredible ensuite rooms and one of the quirkiest, coolest rooms you've ever seen in a HMO. This room is actually a little bit creepy for me. Anyone out there that doesn't like the dentist, I do not like dentists. And this was the original dentist where people would lay back and get their teeth ripped out. We're going to turn it into probably one of the quirkiest rooms that we've ever done. So this is going to be a really large double bedroom against the old brick here. This is going to be a workspace, really cool workspace with Cat 6 monitor, laptop, lots of space where they can sit and work. It's going to be a really cool space. But and this is almost an apartment. There's going to be a big bathroom in that room if you just have a quick look in. And then we're going to have a walk-in closet here. And then this is going to be a really, really cool cinema room with corner sofa and a 80-inch smart television covering the majority of this wall. So you can literally sit back and enjoy as many movies as they want to in this ridiculous cinema room. Okay, one of my favourite rooms, it's certainly one of the biggest rooms that we've ever done, the best of British. This is going to be a huge double bedroom, it's going to be a cinema area, and there's also going to be a games area where we're going to have a foosball table representing England and football, where residents can come in, enjoy the room, chill out, watch a movie, play foosball, have a friend around, and just really enjoy the room. Most importantly, for a room like this, we get between $750 and $850 per calendar month. Great returns. We've been really creative with the whole of the house, and we're always looking to not just maximise the space but improve the space. So this is obviously a huge double bedroom, and this is an old ensuite. Unfortunately, it was one of the beautiful 1960s avocado suites that it had to go. I think Jordan's actually taken it home to put in his house. We've taken half of the ensuite space and we've created a double wardrobe in one of the other bedrooms, still leaving loads of space for a really big ensuite bathroom. I'll quickly show you. Love the chandelier. I don't know why, but it makes me want to swing on it. Probably just me. Basically, this space here was never here. We've taken part of this bathroom and put it into one of the bedrooms for a double wardrobe. And then you can see in these two bedrooms, we've created this awesome hallway space, double wardrobe in each bedroom. Originally, the bedroom started here. So we've turned double bedrooms into really cool, quirky, bigger double bedrooms.